So right here on your Wix dashboard, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on the Wix logo right here. On the sides, you can just click on trash folders right here. And if the trash folder wasn't there, you can just refresh your browser and then click on the trash folder. And then on the deleted sites that you want to recover, you can just click on these three dots right here, site actions, and then choose on restore site. Click again on restore, and there you go. If I go back to the previous page and do a refresh on it, as you can see, I have my old website that I removed before. And then to bring back a previous version of your site on Wix, you want to go to your Wix dashboard again. So for example, I want to restore on this tutorials with Sena site. Just click on select and edit site to go to your Wix dashboard. From here, you can go to your left side of your screen and then scroll down until you find setting. You can just click on it. Right here on the settings, you can just scroll down until you see on site, domain, and SEO. On website setting, you can just click on it and then scroll to the bottom again until you see site history right here, and then click on restore versions, which will take you to the site history right here. You can just scroll down and choose the date that you want to restore. And for example, I want to restore this 7 May. Just click on this arrow right here to have a preview of the site and then click on restore. And that's how to recover or restore a deleted website on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.